So 80%, it was found in a study that 80% of children who have established school attendance difficulties exhibit physical and emotional symptoms as a result of anxiety. It's a no-brainer, really. We talk about it all the time. And those physical problems can actually come out in many, many, many different ways. I know personally I've got Crohn's disease, and if I am anxious, that's the first thing. That's the first sign of I get pain in my stomach, and it literally triggers my disease. This can be for many, many different things. We have children presenting themselves with pain in their joints. We have children with eczema. We have children with headaches, migraines, stomach migraines. The list is endless.